Dadami buddhi yogam. What is the meaning?
I give you the intelligence by which you can come to me.
So I pray that you should give me intelligence so that I may have a Braj Prem to you and Radhika both. So give me intelligence so that I can receive this prem. If you are not giving, then I will tell that you are going outside of this promise. So you should keep your promise. O Brajendranandan, your feet are always in very pleasure and playing with the breast of gopis. So how I can got this service, serving you in this stage? You should give me that kind of buddhi yoga so that I will receive your this thing. Now he is ending this book. He is telling that those who have an idea that Raganuga Bhakti is beyond any Shastra Vidhi. What is the meaning? Beyond the
Shastra
injunctions. Those who are telling this. And those who tell that those who have left every raga, Shastra Vidhi. Shastra Vidhi means the
scriptural
injunction. They have left. They can enter in Raganuga Bhakti. It is not true. How? He has described it. They don't nothing. So, without Shastra, like Srimad Bhagavatam, and the Shastra, this had been written by Rupa Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami, Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami, Narada Bhakti Sutra, all these things. If you don't follow all these things, then it will create troubles only. They have given here that is slow. So we should not follow them. This Raganuga is so to have this Raganuga Bhakti is so difficult for gods also what to say. General persons. Those who are so much qualified and they have the grace of Guru and Gauranga. For them, I have given this Chandrika, the rays of moon of Rag, so that they may go, they search the way and they can go by that. If I am something given light and one have some light, then I will think that this my action, prayas means chesta, endeavor, is I am safal hua. Safal means I am success in this, writing these books. Yes.
Maharaj, moonlight is cool, Chandrika is cool, but this makes more hot.
He has told it. Now it is Sital, but afterward, when we have some realization, it will gradually become hot and hotter and hottest. We have समाप्त किया आज इसका.
I have one question.
Question.
Can I ask a question?
You have told that gradually one should know, in Gopi Bhav, one should know what is one's name, what is one's age, who are one's parents, where is one born, so many things like this. At what stage does that come in this different progression? This Bhav, this Prem, then Sneh, all of those, where does that come?
Up till when we have dharya means patience. We should know that that qualification has yet not come. When we have no dharya for this, where adhikar is there or not, all will burst away and we cannot live patiently.
You mentioned it when you were reading that one will take, when prem comes, it cannot be within this body. The body cannot tolerate. So one must take birth in Krishna's Prakat Lila, in Sampramanda. So before that time, if one is meditating that my age is this, my name is like this, no.
There must be pure greed. And after coming that greed, God and Guru will arrange this. By arranging this, we'll have surely these things. Anyhow. And they will not alive until they know all these things. So pure greed should come. Then there will be no question of quality, that whether we are in this stage or not. Krishna will arrange everything. But we should not do any kalpana. Kalpana means
Imagination.
This is our Gaudiya Vaishnava speciality. We should go on and go on. Should know, try to know. And then bring Radha Bhakti. We will show that Srimati Radhika will, if he arranges for Gop Kumar and that Govardhan Brahman, why she will not arrange for also us? Surely she will. He has sent as one of the associates to you to bring up to this stage. Why should not will arrange further? What mercy you have come to bring you, that mercy should also. If you have greed and very strong desire, you must arrange for these things. If anyone will not available, he will make in our heart like Chaitya Guru. We should have prayer and strong desire. This is in our custody. And after that, what he is to do, he will do. Then next time we will see some slokas of Lord Krishna. It will be very helpful for these things. At this time we can have this desire also only, not more than this.